this is me, Amal Hermuz from Vivian Hair Design. As you see, I have a new lady here. Her name is Debbie. She's from Wales. Welcome to Vivian Hair Design, Debbie. This is her hair. Actually, she wanna change this hairstyle to a little bit nice, new, modern bob hairstyle, a new one. She feel very old with this style. She wanna change. She wanna feel young, trendy, and fashion. So Debbie, tell me, what can we do for you, please?
I'd like a bob, please. I've grown the fringe
Yeah.
to the same length as my hair, but now I'd like to change to a fringe.
Yeah, you want to change, you want to show. So we're gonna do a nice lovely fringe here, and we're gonna cut all this hair in one nice, very attractive line. So we are very happy Debbie is here. So Debbie, we will see you later. We
Thank
come
you.
back.
Bye.
Ciao, ciao. Bye. Again, hi. We are here with Debbie, and we're gonna show you now how we got a nice, lovely bob line. Be with us. Bye. Bye. Today we're gonna show you how to cut a lovely nice fringe. As you see, this is her hair. We part the hair like that and we separate it. Now we have her hair here, yes? So we're gonna take the hair all in our hand and then we're gonna turn it like this and put your hand here and turn back. The only thing you need to do is just cut in one cut. So when you cut this part, make sure you cut it perfectly. So don't miss not even one hair. So now this corner a little bit. Yes, so okay, we are ready. Now we have our fringe. So this is the fringe we have made for Debbie from short to long on the side. But we wanted to go inside, little bit wispy fringe. So we're gonna take just this point here. Then we go here. Just a little bit. Now we go here. This corner and here. And then here. It's just you can see this corner, we cut it, and then, okay, let me blow dry it so I see better. See, nice and lovely and wispy fringe, yeah, and very attractive. As you see, I like the fringe, and if we make it loose, you see how beautiful fringe she have, and in very short time. So, do you like it?
Thank you.
She like it and we like it also. So we are here back with Debbie. As you see, this is the result. This is the result of her hair. We just cut her a lovely nice bob line, very beautiful. We really love this bob line. I'm showing it to you. So you see how nice, how lovely, extremely perfect haircut for Debbie. And let me show it from this side so you can see it. It's really nice and very, very beautiful. She have a little bit root, but no problem. We will color it next time. And let me see, Debbie, I really love your hair. So tell us, Debbie, do you like your hair?
I absolutely love it. I'm very, very pleased. Thank you ever so much.
Oh, thank you, Debbie, for visiting us here in Vivian Hair Design. Thank you for you watching our video. It was Debbie from Wales. We are very happy to change her hair. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, everybody, and bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.